Flag football is a 5v5 version of American football. It's non-contact. It's very fast-paced, quite energetic, requires quite a bit of agility. Pretty much anybody can play. It's a mixed gender sport. We welcome into anybody who wants to come and have a go. I played flag football for 6 years now. For 5 years with Gwent, and I played contact American football before that, so I played for a while. And I just noticed in flag football, where the division that we were in, all the way kind of up the M4 corridor, you got teams in like Swansea, Newport, Cardiff, Bristol, and there was nothing really representing Rhondda at all. Being from the Rhondda myself, I thought it's a perfect opportunity to set something up around here, because I know quite a lot of people from the Rhondda actually travel to play American football to Cardiff and things like that. So I thought I'd bring a base here. When I had the idea to set it up, one of the biggest concerns for me was actually having money to set the thing up in the first place. And I know like a big thing with people trying new sport is they want to invest a lot of money into it. So I was like hoping I could get support to set it up in a way that I could like charge players as little as possible, as we get more people trying the sport as we could. A little internet search and I found Sport RCD, reached out, and they're absolutely incredible, genuinely from start to finish. Like I didn't even know that I had to set up all the paperwork stuff and things like that, and I went through the accreditation scheme. We got accredited for 25, now accredited for 26 as well. They've provided us with all the basic kit to start up, so players who want to come down and try it haven't had to spend a penny to come and have a go. They sorted us out with our first block of facilities hire, so we could actually have a 3-month training block before that culminated then in a friendly game day, and we actually won one of the games we played as well, which was really nice. So overall, I think the funding and the support that's been put into the club so far from Sport RCD, we wouldn't be going at this level now if we hadn't had that at the start. So. When I set it up, I actually just reached out to a few friends I first set it up actually to see if anybody wanted to come and have a go. And a few of them said, yeah, we ended up with about 7 or 8 players who were like, yeah, I'm keen to have a go, we'll try it out. So we ended up with 5 players who played some form of American football before, and not many have played flag. So that was nice to have the experience on a team as well. But then the rookies or the people who've never played before started like trickling in. I had messages on Instagram and things like that, people just reaching out to come and try the sport. And we've ended up, so the season total now, we get like 10 to 14 players training a week, which is really good, especially this late in the season. 14 of our 19 have never played, and they've all stuck around and they're all enjoying it.
So I joined the team. My brother was playing for the team, and he asked me to come along and give it a go, so I did, and I've loved it. It's been great exercise. The boys are a great bunch of lads, great team to play for. It's just good, really good fun.
This has been a great example of a club utilising the club accreditation scheme. James approached us and was very passionate about getting the club started, so we helped him with resources and funding, and it's been a brilliant success. And as you can see behind us, the numbers have grown and grown, and they're a well-established club now.
We're always looking for new players, and when I say anybody's welcome, I genuinely mean absolutely anybody's welcome. The only requirement we have at the moment is an adult team, so you do need to be 18 years of age. Hopefully that's going to change in the future. We are looking at youth development in the next year or two.